Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, websites, and even artificial intelligence systems actually work behind the scenes? From Instagram to YouTube, from chatbots to robots, there's one common programming language powering them all, and that language is Python. But what exactly is Python programming? Why is it so popular? And how can learning it change your life, even if you've never written a single line of code before? Let's dive deep into this amazing world of Python programming and uncover how it became one of the most powerful languages in the world. Python is not just another programming language, it's the language that makes complex things simple. Created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and officially released in 1991, Python was designed with one goal in mind: readability and simplicity. Unlike other languages that look complicated and full of symbols, Python reads almost like plain English. That's why even kids and absolute beginners can learn it easily. Today, Python powers everything from simple automation scripts to large scale applications that run on servers, smartphones, and even satellites. It's used by companies like Google, Netflix, NASA, Tesla, and Spotify. Yes, Python is literally everywhere. The biggest reason behind Python's massive success is its simplicity and versatility. Let's be honest, learning programming can feel scary at first, but Python removes that fear. It lets you focus on solving problems instead of worrying about complicated syntax. If you want to print a message in Python, you just write print hello world. That's it, just one simple line. Other programming languages might need 5 or 6 lines to do the same thing. Python's clean design and huge library support make it ideal for almost every field: web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, automation, and game development. Let's understand how Python actually works behind the scenes. Python is an interpreted language, which means it runs your code line by line. Unlike languages that need to be compiled before running, Python executes directly, making it faster to test and debug. Here's the process in simple steps. You write your Python code. The Python interpreter reads your code line by line. It translates each line into machine language that your computer understands. The output is displayed immediately. This is why Python is often called a high level language, because it hides the complex hardware details and allows you to focus on logic and creativity. Now, let's talk about where we actually see Python in real life. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is the backbone of AI tools and ML models. Frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn are all built on Python. Data science and analytics. Companies analyze huge amounts of data using Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Web development, websites like Instagram, Pinterest, and Reddit are built using Python frameworks such as Django and Flask. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking make it tighter. Security experts use Python scripts to scan, analyze, and secure networks. Automation and scripting, from sending emails to renaming hundreds of files automatically, Python can do it all. Game development and graphics, and games like Battlefield 2 and The Sims 4 use Python in their development engines. If you're just starting your programming journey, Python is the perfect first language. Here's how you can begin right now. Install Python from python.org and download the latest version. Choose an IDE like VS Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook. Learn the basics. Start with variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Practice daily. Build small projects like a calculator, to do list, or weather app. Explore advanced topics. Once you're confident, move into data science, web development, or AI with Python. Remember, consistency is key. Even 30 minutes of daily practice can make you a Python expert in a few months. Every big tech company prefers Python developers, and for good reason. Python saves time, reduces errors, and allows rapid development. It has one of the largest open source communities in the world, meaning thousands of people are constantly building new tools, frameworks, and libraries for you to use for free. That's why jobs related to Python are growing at lightning speed. From data scientists to AI engineers, the demand is massive, and so are the salaries. Here's something you probably didn't know: Python was not named after the snake. Its creator, Guido van Rossum, was a big fan of the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's where the language gets its name, Python. So, yes, the name itself carries a bit of humor and creativity. Python's future looks brighter than ever. As artificial intelligence, automation, and data science continue to grow, Python will remain at the heart of innovation. Even in schools and universities around the world, Python is being taught as the first programming language, replacing older ones like C++ and Java for beginners. So, if you're planning a career in tech, data, or AI, learning Python isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Technology is changing faster than ever. But in this race of innovation, Python stands tall as the simplest, smartest, and most flexible language you can learn. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a developer, or someone completely new to coding. Python opens doors to unlimited opportunities. Start today. Install Python, write your first Hello World, and step into the future of programming. Because with Python, you don't just learn to code, you learn to create. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ruby Parker, your channel for education, technology, and innovation. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss any new video that can transform your learning journey. Until next time, keep coding, keep growing, and keep exploring with Ruby Parker.